Alright, we're gonna call that one a fail, ladies and gentlemen. You will never see this one, so it's okay. The good thing about working with tile, you can just kind of wipe it all off. I'm not too worried about getting it all off, or else I'd use water or something to kind of completely clean it off, but for me, it's fine. See? Ta-da! Alrighty, so we won't talk about what just happened, but we'll just say that was a fail, and I went ahead and just cleaned it off with water, so now it's good to go. So we're gonna try that again. I forgot what order the colors went, so we're just gonna go ahead and just pour whatever and swipe it and see what happens. Alright. Yeah, maybe I'm rushing it. Maybe I need to slow down, because obviously things aren't filling out the way I wanted them to, and they just connected. So we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more blue right there. We're gonna add more yellow. And I think we're gonna call that good. Now we're gonna add a little bit more yellow on this side. Yes. Some of the yellow down there. Make sure it gets all the way to the edge. Although we'll be swiping it, so hopefully after we spin it, we'll get nice, full, and complete coverage. No, because now it looks like we need some more stuff over here. We're going to go ahead and add some more of the blue. Just like so. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Let's hope that, that we don't mess that up again. Alright, so we are going to go ahead and add our swipe color on the top. Hopefully my arm is not in the way of the video, but it normally is, so forgive me. And just go ahead and lay that down like that. I'm going to take our swiping tool, our little knife thingy, and we're just going to gently, and hopefully we'll get the entire thing to swipe down. So here we go. And of course, like always, it messes with me, ladies and gentlemen. I can't seem to get an even swipe. But it's alright though, because we're about to spin the snot out of it and see what happens. First, I'm going to go ahead and help it by tilting it back down. Just like so. And then centering it. And now for the spin. Here we go. Alright, so it looks like we need a little bit more paint there, so I'm just going to go ahead and cheat and use some of this blue to kind of backfill. Oh, I closed it like a silly boy. There we go. Open that sucker up. We're going to backfill with some of this blue, just like so. We're going to go ahead and spin it out to thin that out, and yeah, see what happens. A little funky. I like it. We got some bigger cells, some cool funky blending up on them corners, and yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a pause here, clean up the spinner thingy, and bring you in for a close-up. Alright, see you soon. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we're just going to take a quick trip around the block. We'll see what's good on all these edges. Like when I say edges, I don't mean like the sides. I don't really care about the sides. I don't sell my art, I just make it because it's fun, and I kind of enjoy making these videos. But anyways, so we're going to go around the block, come back to the middle, and be like, ooh la la, monsieur, that is magnifique. I like it. Yes. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me know on this one. Scrape or keep? I think I want to keep, but I guess it's just going to depend on you guys, because, I mean, if I make a bunch of these and they all look the same, then there's no point in keeping them all, right? So, yes. My hand is shaky. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give a like. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure to hit the notification bell to make sure you catch all my videos. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Ooh la la, yes.